What's up, guys? So we are going to BR for the weekend, for Memorial Weekend. Gonna get some content for store buys. We actually got a studio. Pretty freaking excited for that. So I'm on my way, but kind of wanted to show y'all real quick what us Southerners kind of have to go through or live through. Tractors, all right? I mean. Bro, I'm telling y'all, man, every single time I come to Baton Rouge, there's always some freaking traffic. It never fails. Never fails, y'all.
Makes me feel like we know each other. Blank tapes and posters on the door.
Hey, you do some gardening?
Yeah, bro.
Gardening? Every day, bro. Damn, bro.
What's up?
You jamming, huh?
Literally just pulling out the extra larges.
Oh yeah, let me see,
Lay
man.
them out. I was literally about to lay them on the.
Man, you getting a
Wow,
dark?
it's actually like a I like being in the dark. This is the extendo version.
Dude, it looks almost perfect.
Yeah. This is the 2 eggs.
Have to try this on, right?
Yeah, dude. I was actually about to go put on the calendar.
Oh, you actually got all 3 colors?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, dude.
Oh shit.
Merry
Cool,
Christmas, dude.
Yeah, I like this color.
Yeah, it's dope, man.
Dude, you know,
Right.
I'm gonna try this
Right.
on a bit. Let me give y'all a little dude,
Tease them, dude.
little teaser. Yeah. Black sample in. You know, it's a little long, but we're gonna get it right. You know, try to take it. I kind of like it like this though. You think?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I mean,
Pretty good.
maybe,
not bad.
maybe in the future. But we need to take an inch off. But this is the black sample one. But we got these other colors that he may launch in the fall. What color is this?
Nuclear yellow.
What color is this one?
Just green. No, I'm kidding. Probably do olive.
Dude, the material is freaking sick. It's so just like, just so, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah. Our bodies. It's quite small. Probably fit 2 items, but gonna get bigger ones. I think old boy right here made a mistake. Good old Nick mistake. But store buys card, just like a thank you card with a discount code too. So pretty cool. Flick it, put it in, slide that bad boy in. You got a few stickers. Slap these on your mom's car or your laptop. You know, store buys. Flick it, put that bad boy in. All right. Then you just go ahead and just stuff in the stuff. You know, the goodies. Voila! You pull up to FedEx or whatever and be like, all right, bitches, mail this bitch out. Alright, so we gotta pause the website for now because we're preparing for the actual June 12th launch. So we don't want people just going on the website going crazy and stuff, and he needs time to upload stuff too anyways. Alright, we are testing out the fall colors. So they got the atomic yellow, the nuclear mustard. So possible fall colors. I got a plain black one. There's no logo on it, but we're testing out the size. So this one's a little bit longer. Probably gonna make it a little bit shorter, but sleeves and everything, perfect. But overall, though, solid shirts. I'd say like for the fall, maybe like a maroon or a royal blue, like a green. Maybe even like just a black, like this. Because this definitely will go with everything. Mars. It's going to get more vascular in my arms. Because I'm losing a little bit of body fat. Pretty exciting. Really big. Heat,
Yeah,
PVC.
dude. Yeah. For sure, dude.
Looks small.
Like a rack of ribs, dude.
Little gym tip, fitness tip. If you're doing
Tip.
tricep rope pull downs, always get the longest rope if you can. You see the difference?
Full extension. There you go.
Extension, guys. Someone's
Say, dude.
further back, you can go.
Do this at long boy.
Ah, yes, my biggest weakness.
Tricep dips. I'm just too heavy. Way too heavy, watch. I got a subscriber. I got a little notification, guys. Got a little YouTube notification. I got a subscriber. Flora.
Dude, shout out to Flora.
Shout out to yes.
Yeah,
alright?
dude.
Appreciate the hitting that button.
Hey, you guys should do the same.
Exactly. More quality videos coming out.
Coming at you.
Guys, you don't want to miss this. I'm telling you. We're growing. You don't want to look. I'm gonna show y'all all the different sides. All right. I'm gonna show y'all his business side, my business side, creating content, life tips, fitness tips, how to cook. Dude, I'm gonna do it all. I'm a Swiss Army knife. All right. This YouTube channel is gonna be a bunch of.
Yeah.
He's trying to open up that little gym, that little building, that little metal
Storefront.
building, a little storefront. It's gonna be a gym / content studio.
It is.
I
Podcast,
can do
everything.
stuff out the studio finally instead of having to try finding spots or trying to shoot at a
Or
gym.
people look at you weird when
People
you're editing.
people are just like
Every time we shoot in the gym, bro, people are like, it's just like
People are just like-
I don't even care anymore. But yeah.
Alright guys, it's Sunday
Make sure
morning.
you have the black one.
We gotta shoot
Go on his
at
dog
2
tag his
before
name on it.
studio
and,
shoot.
chocolate on it. Before you let him outside, let him out.
We gotta go lifting first. Alright y'all, we're at Target getting some stuff for the photo shoot. Definitely need to get a steamer for the shirts. The shirts always be wrinkly. So we're getting that. Drinks for the people that come and shoot. And some snacky foods. That's for the photo shoot?
Yeah.
For the people?
Yeah, little case.
Cool. This is like the apple of
Yeah, let's run this, dude. Oh look, here's a snack.
There you go.
Is it yours?
That's mine.
Oh.
Alright, finally. We got a steamer, guys.
Only is one, huh?
Yeah, just one. Let's get the shoot going now.
Nice.
Pizza.
Whatever.
The hot honey?
Hot honey?
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Like an hour. Look at this. Unbelievable. Can't take them anywhere. Look at this. Alright, well, you gotta bust open a new pair of shirts. First Star Valley studio shoot. This is a dope place. Look at that. Look at that. This will be awesome. It's kind of cool.
It is cool. You look like you could be in a We Move Furniture For You commercial.
Big for me.
Yeah.
It's moving a little bit closer. I'm not used to this. Yeah. Guys, got some props. What you wanna?
I'm basically right now, I'm just gonna start ironing some stuff, get some of the stuff ready, so I can just do quicker swaps where I don't wear it off.
Yeah. You could probably set them in here real quick to standing. You can get those quick.
We can get the pictures. So I want to do a video too. Kind of like what I did with the other one. Do that and then, but I could do that last. So pictures first for sure. So,
Yeah. And we can get videos in between each thing.
yeah, that's one. All right. That's a wrap. Finished all the drinks. Haley drank all the Island News. Wow. Yeah. Alright guys, now we are done shooting. So, yeah, doing well. So, stay tuned for the video and pictures.